We're here at the property. That's just it behind me. Let me see if I'll call the. This is the first thing I get when I want to do the viewing, but this 9 days ago. What's their number again? Don't cost. It's been a long day. Above the clouds, let's go. I am free. I hear your whisper. So this is the lounge, yeah? It's quite big. Right now, if it moves, you turn it like this now. There's no place that I would rather be. So let's move it to that. Yeah. I think it was just newly done. It's been newly done, yeah? I've searched myself. I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love. It's a new fridge. You give me strength, Lord. I finally know where I belong. I think everything has just been newly fitting. It's a new property. So. I can feel you in the sun. This was the hub we used one way in Middlesbrough. Is it moving again? Is it clear? I am walking. This is nice. Oh Lord, beneath the starlight. So you can have your dining here. And this leads to the garden outside as well. So there's a garden in front and in back. There's no place that I would rather be. Looks beautiful. The ventilation, mold will not disturb this place. The ventilation is great. I've searched myself. So there's like a pantry here. Pool washer. And pool washer. It's nice. Great photo. Stop it. The staircase is really good as well. The staircase is wide. I like that the ventilation is good. So the light is not working here. So this is one of the bathrooms. It's quite dark. One bathroom there. One room. The place is big. One room. I think this one is 150. There is. Oh, this is nice here. I can see. Yeah. Far and wide. Another room. So all the rooms are in the same floor. Above the clouds. And this is the master's bedroom. In your presence, there's an ensuite bathroom. I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. So, here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. Radiator. I've searched myself. I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to so the bathroom is like lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me
bathroom is bigger than the one in the master's.